guys, and welcome back to the Charlotte Wallace YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe. If you want to know how to get this beautiful smoky look, then keep on watching. So I started this look off with a fresh face of foundation, concealer, eyebrows and face powder, and then I chose this NYX dark brown bronzy shimmery eyeshadow and this beautiful blending brush from the Body Shop. Go check it out in my mini haul video. And I'm just blending that straight into the crease, making sure to blend it quite softly up to the brow in that V shape, and I'm not extending it further than the eyebrow. Then I'm adding a little bit more to the outer corner just to deepen that up and blending it inwards and outwards again. I'm applying the same colour with the blending brush underneath the lash line, starting at the outer corner and blending inwards. I'm taking that lighter goldeny, slightly green colour, and I'm using it on a slightly wet brush and then dabbing that all over the eyelid. When it's more saturated like this, it does look much darker. And then I'm cleaning off my brush and using some of that bronzy colour to blend the two colours together and out. I then take the darker colour and I blend that underneath the lash line, again starting at the outer corner and blending inwards and outwards. I also just go into the crease just to make sure the two colours are nicely blended. And I'm taking a concealer brush just to clean up any fallout and messes I've created. Of course, now time for the face and some bronzing powder. I'm using the light colour from Bobbi Brown and it is a matte bronzer, and I'm applying that to the cheekbones first, down the jawline and across the jawline, and then up to the temples, across the forehead. I also do a little bit on the nose and of course down the neck. So I'm taking this warm orangey highlight from my Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I think it looks so beautiful with this darker look. And I'm applying the same colour to the brow bone and the cupid's bow of my lip as well, and a little bit on my nose. Oh, and the brows. So now I'm taking the lightest colour, which I believe is Strobe, and I'm adding that to some of my features just to give me that extra lightness. Although I still think the orangey tones kind of show through, which is why I put them there. And I love how it looks on the eye. So yeah. Then I'm taking a contour colour, which is just a dark brown from my Benign Pressed Colour palette. And I'm putting that in all the contoury areas. Of course, blusher. I'm applying it to the tops of my cheekbones up to my temples, because I have quite rosy cheeks as is. Then mascara time. This is my favourite mascara from Maybelline. It's got that nice curved wand so you can use both sides of it. Then I'm outlining my lips with a Yardley, I think it's called Spice, this lip liner. Not entirely sure, but it's the perfect match to my natural lip colour. And this new, again, Body Shop liquid lipstick. Go and check out my mini Body Shop haul and find out why I chose that lipstick. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys have loved it. I love how glowy this look is, and that is exactly why it's completely shimmery on the eyes just to match the skin. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and goodbye.